7 habits of highly energetic people. Number 1 is sleep. So 8 hours is recommended. Number 2 is hydration. About 2 liters of water is recommended. Number 3 is nutrition. So getting your right fruit and veggies in. Number 4, hot and cold showers. So these can increase the lymphatic flow in your body, which decreases all your waste from your cells. Number 5 is stretching. So remember to relax the muscles after using them a lot. Number 6 is recovery sessions. So making sure you're decreasing the stresses in your life through recovery. Number 7 is tracking. So making sure that you are getting enough of this is really hard to keep in your brain. So tracking them and getting it out of your brain and onto paper is really important. Comment below and tell me what you're tracking this week. I would love to know. This is Nancy Jane, your local myotherapist, and I will see you on the next one.